everybody, welcome back to our channel Art for Kids. Today we're going to show you how to make a mommy turtle and a baby turtle.
So we have a paper and we have taped it with the masking tape. So that helps keep the paper in place, and it also will make a nice matte boundary when we take it off. And we have a cutout. What shape is this? This is
oval and medium oval.
Yeah, so two kinds of ovals. So if the kid is big enough and they can do it directly, that's also fine. But we are going to use this. We just hold like this and you can draw around it. Okay, so let's get. Yes, so you can draw it with the pencil. Then you can just fix it like that. It's fine, right? Yeah. So, and then you can draw the baby one. Do you want me to hold it while you draw? Okay, here. Then you can close the shape. Okay, in the next step, we are going to outline it with a black Sharpie marker.
No.
Okay. Right. That is fine. Anyways, it will have those scales, so it's fine. Okay, that's fine. Now, can you try to do this one? So she messed up a little, but I guess it will be fine. I'll try to fix it up
when we do the scales.
Yes. So there we have the mommy and baby for the outline. So next we have some fingerprinting stamps. We have a couple of different colors. So we are going to use the gray for the little head. Yes.
And then we're going to color it in with the purple and the
Okay, that's the color you chose, these two? Okay. Yeah. So let's first do the head first. And remember to keep a tissue paper handy in case you wipe off your hands while you're changing the color. Yes, so just, yeah. So we are going to just mark the head with our finger. Yes. Yeah, if you want it a little bigger, just, hey, now there are two heads. Don't do that. Just make sure that it's at the, okay, get some. And then there you go. Okay, that's better. And then you can just do one for the baby. The baby has a smaller head. Yes. Now make sure you wipe off your hands.
Thank you.
Yes, so next we are going to what colors did you choose? Blue and purple. Okay, so first let's do the blue. So she's just going to use finger and just stamp all around it. Then leave some spaces, and we can use the purple one too. Okay, shall we start? Yes, here. Put your finger on it and then make dots. Yeah. If there is no color, get more color. Make sure it shows. Yeah. Get color every time you press. Get some color. It's not that. Yeah. There you go. And make sure it stays inside. Yeah. You can do some here on this part too. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay, then let's wipe off the finger and then get some purple and finish. Use all the white spaces. Every time get some paint so that it's dark. Yes. Here. 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 Yeah. Here. Make one right here. Yeah. Okay, I think now it's almost full. So you can do the same thing to the baby turtle as well. So in the next step, we are using the marker and to make little squares on each of the fingerprint. Can you do it? Yeah. So this is an easy way to draw the scales on the turtle's shell. Otherwise it might be difficult for little kids. So yeah, we are done drawing the scales now. Yeah, so you can draw eyes on it. And next step we have to draw, that's it, don't do it, overdo it. So next step you have to do the arms and leg. Do you know, or do you want me to show you one?
Show one.
Show you one? Okay, so just, okay, that's good enough. Now you can make one here. Yeah, just do as much as you can. Yes, that's good enough. Here. Yeah, and one more here. Okay, do for the baby turtle too. Yeah, so next you can fill it in with the black color. Yeah, with the black marker. So now that we are done with drawing the turtles, next for the background we are going to use, what are these, dot paints?
My dot paint.
Yes, so I'm going to use brown for the sand or the beach and blue for the water. So we are going to do like a little bit of both just to fill in the background. Do you want to do the sand first? So, yeah, you can start from the side. And go do here and there, just do here and there, don't do. Yeah, you can do some on this side too, here too. It looks good. So next we are going to use the blue color for the sand. Just fill up the rest of it. You can use the same idea to draw an owl or think of something that you can do with it. I guess it's a lot of fun and it's easy to use dot paints and finger paints to make cute animals. Yes, you are done. And that looks good, right, Vihana? Yes, it looks cute.
But then this is the water.
What is it? It's just the background, right? You want to do some water, you can add some water. Okay? Yes. The next step, we are going to just remove the
tape.
Yeah, the masking tape very carefully. Just make sure you take it off slowly so it doesn't.
You don't rip it.
Yes, so we don't rip the paper. So we took off the masking tape and this is how the painting looks. And I really like it. And it's very easy and it just took 10 minutes for us to finish it. So I hope you all like it too.